Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about dentcoin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of dentcoin. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about dentcoin. So guys, right now a live price of dentcoin in the market is about 0.004743 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a dentcoin. Furthermore, you already know about the crypto market that Cardano price decrease, XRP price decrease, so the dentcoin price also going negative. Only the last 1 hour, last 60-minute update is positive. Possibilities that continue this pump. Let me show you a price chart. Now you can see here that is a 7 days update, and 7 days changes is negative. That means that from a last 1 week completely the price decrease, completely the price in the dumping mode. You can see here from 7 September the price decrease, but in the latest situation, if I zoom the price chart, only 14 September. So you can see here that is a 14 September price chart right now situation. So there is positive. You can see they start jumping. So now in the right now situation, possibilities, guys, I'm not sure about dentcoin future, but they're in the right now situation, they are in the jumping mode. So possibilities that they continue this jump for a long time. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about dentcoin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.